So yes guys, now we can do a problem of the day question, right? And now you can subscribe my channel for daily updates. I can do daily problem of the day question, right? So question number find find minimum to make rope colorful, right? This is the question, right? So yes, let's do a question, right? So Alicia has n balloons arranged on a rope. You are given a zero index string colors, where colors is the color of the ith balloon, right? मतलब एलिस के पास n balloons है अरेंज है जो रोप में है एंड यू आर गिवन जीरो स्ट्रिंग कलर्स वेयर कलर्स आई है कलर ith balloon, right? So Alice wants the rope to be colorful. She does not want two consecutive balloons to be of same colors, right? So he asked Bob for help. Bob can remove some balloons from the rope. तो बॉब ने कुछ रिमूव करे balloons, make it colorful, right? So you are the zero index integer needed where needed time I is the time in second that Bob need to remove, right? So example, yeah, right. No explanation, and in the above A is blue, E is red, and C is green, right? Bob can remove blue balloon at index 2. This take 3 seconds, right? So now what will we are doing, right? So this my approach is like for every adjacent pair of balloon, right? Like this A and B, right? A and B we have to remove at least one of them because moving any other set of balloons would still A and B adjacent at the end, right? So we can simply look for substring which only contain balloons of one type and then remove all the balloons from this substring except one, right? This ensure no adjacent identical balloons are present, right? So well, which balloon should stay in the string? I'm asked to you. According to the problem, we need to minimize the needed time. So we can simply pick balloons which would contribute the most to needed time and remove it, right? Or the and the second point, like, or the balloon that stay back in the balloon with the maximum needed time value, right? And the third point, like for colors BBB and a time like 358, right? We can remove first two balloons and get the minimum needed time is equal to 8, right? So for any substring containing balloons of same color, we can simply remove all the balloons from their needed time and then include the one with the largest needed time, right? For every substring consequent to identical balloons, formulate like the total needed time minus maximum needed time of a balloon, right? I mean, I've said maximum, so this is equal, right? Now we would like to code, right? So into main cost, right? So int n कर देंगे color हो जाएगा color dot length, right, equal to 0 कर देंगे, right? Then for int I equal 1 कर देंगे, right? I n कर देंगे and प्लस इंक्रीमेंट कर दिया, राइट? सो इंट मैक्स ही ले लेंगे इज इक्वल टू 0, राइट? एंड देन लूप व्हाइल लूप I less than n. If I less than n, then colors care I equal to colors at, right? Edit time this one, right? Then we like to max is equal to math and dot max, right? Like max I need the time. I minus 1, right? Right, guys. So I plus yeah, and then some do type I minus 1, right? Like to max is equal to math dot maxi needed time 1, right? So if max some xc, right? अगर ये हो गया then we would like to return sum कर देंगे, right? And we like to run the code. Let me see. For int is equal to I here, right? I think this will run it. What what was my mistake? I hidden and colors care at, oh shit guys, right? So this, I think some plus this silly mistakes. I don't know why there are many silly mistakes. Maxi math I also forget, right? Now I think run the code. I think this will do. My goodness, there is very silly mistakes. Yes, guys, I know. I don't know if any needed, which I right accepted, right, guys, and we would like to do submitted, right? And the other way, this is the friendly code, but the other way it is like one pass greedy big one, right? This is also doing code, right? So I will not understand, I will not doing this question because this method is very good because it is beginner friendly, right? And yes guys, I'm doing everyday lead code daily challenges, right? And I also do some gfg daily challenges, right? So now, yes, and you can subscribe my channel, and it seems to be like also, right? So yes, now we can, okay guys, and I also doing live stream daily, so you can check it, right?